Living in Miami Beach offers beautiful ocean views, vibrant nightlife, and year-round sunshine, but it also comes with its fair share of noise. Whether it's the sound of traffic on Collins Avenue, music from nearby entertainment venues, or the general hustle and bustle of a tourist-heavy area, noise pollution is a common challenge for many residents. If you're looking for a way to reclaim peace and quiet in your home, impact windows might be the ideal solution. While impact windows are best known for their storm protection and security benefits, they also offer excellent soundproofing qualities. Here's how these high-performance windows help block unwanted noise, and why they're a smart investment for homeowners in Miami Beach. Thicker, laminated glass reduces sound transmission. At the heart of every impact window is laminated glass, which consists of two panes of glass bonded together with a durable interlayer, usually made of polyvinyl butyryl (PVB). This multi-layered design not only resists shattering during a storm or break-in attempt, but it also acts as a sound barrier. When sound waves hit traditional single-pane windows, they pass through easily. But with impact windows, the combination of thicker glass and the noise-dampening interlayer helps absorb and reduce sound vibrations, preventing them from entering your home. This makes a noticeable difference in busy areas like Miami Beach, where noise can be constant and intrusive. Tighter seals for better insulation. In addition to laminated glass, impact windows are engineered with tightly sealed frames and weather stripping that eliminate gaps where air and sound can leak through. Poorly sealed windows are a major contributor to indoor noise levels, especially in older homes or condos. Modern impact windows are designed for airtight performance, which not only improves energy efficiency but also creates a sound-insulating barrier. This significantly reduces the infiltration of outdoor noise, giving you a quieter, more comfortable living space. Peace and quiet in a lively environment. Miami Beach is known for its excitement, but everyone needs a retreat from the noise at the end of the day. Whether you work from home, have young children, or simply want to relax in peace, the constant background sounds of traffic, construction, or nightlife can become frustrating. Installing impact windows creates a calm, serene indoor environment, one where you can sleep better, focus more easily, and enjoy your home without distraction. The reduction in noise pollution can also lead to lower stress levels and improved overall well-being. Ideal for multifamily and high-rise buildings. Many Miami Beach residents live in condos, high-rise apartments, or multifamily buildings where noise travels easily between units and floors. Impact windows are especially effective in these settings, helping to muffle sounds from neighbors, shared spaces, and outdoor sources. Upgrading your unit's windows to impact-resistant models not only improves your personal comfort but can also increase property value and appeal to future buyers who prioritize a quiet living space. Added benefits beyond soundproofing. While noise reduction is a major advantage, impact windows come with a host of other long-term benefits for Miami Beach homeowners, including hurricane protection from flying debris and high winds, enhanced security against break-ins and forced entry, energy efficiency for lower cooling costs in Florida's hot climate, UV protection to prevent fading of interior furnishing, insurance discounts for storm-rated improvements, these combined features make Impact Windows a multifunctional investment that protects your home on many levels. Final thoughts. If you're tired of dealing with outside noise in your Miami Beach home, Impact Windows offer a powerful and permanent solution. Their advanced design not only shields your home from storms and intruders but also provides a much-needed buffer against the everyday noise of urban life. By upgrading to impact-resistant windows, you're choosing greater comfort, security, and peace of mind, all while adding value and energy efficiency to your property. For a quieter, safer, and more enjoyable home environment, Impact Windows are the clear choice.